Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore customer chat routing in Salesforce Service Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. To restore customer chat routing in Salesforce Service Cloud, begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the service setup by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the quick find box, type setup and select service setup. Now, look for chat in the quick find box. Click on chat to access the chat settings. Locate the deployment section within the chat settings. Select the deployment for which you want to restore chat routing. Review the existing chat routing configuration for accuracy. If you notice any discrepancies, navigate to the routing section. Here, ensure that the chat routing is enabled for the desired agents or teams. If it's disabled, toggle the setting to enable chat routing. Save the changes made to the deployment configuration. Next, check the Live Agents tab to ensure that your agents are online. If agents are offline, they will not receive incoming chat requests. Confirm that your chat queue is set up properly in the Salesforce environment. If not, create a new queue by going to the Queues section in Setup. From the Queues section, click New to create a new chat queue. Add the necessary agents to the queue to ensure they can respond to chats. Next, revisit the chat deployment settings. Make sure to test the chat functionality using the Test Chat button available. Initiate a test chat to verify if routing works as expected. If the test is successful, your customer chat routing is restored. In case of issues, revisit each step to ensure all configurations are correct. Consider reviewing Salesforce documentation for any advanced settings that may apply. Finally, communicate with your team to inform them of the restored chat routing functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.